Hi, Mega. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well. Thanks for asking, Pranjal. How are you?
I'm doing great. Good to see
That
you
sounds
again.
good. Yes, same here. The pleasure's all mine. How was your weekend?
It's been like quite hectic, I would say that, because I have been like completely occupied these days, you
Mm-hmm.
know, in my YouTube channel because, I'm just putting my all efforts and I'm just concentrating in my YouTube channel and
Okay.
in my content as well because today morning,
Mhm.
I just got the 1,000 subscribers milestone.
Wow,
And
that's
yeah,
amazing. Congratulations.
uh, yeah, it's been like 2 months since I started my YouTube journey, and now today morning I just got the mail from YouTube that you have reached the 1,000 subscribers in your YouTube channel, and congratulations
Okay.
for that. And
That's
yeah,
fabulous. Okay. Within 2 months, if you've amassed 1K subscribers, then yeah, I think you're on the right track because for most people, it takes much longer than that, to be honest, because I've seen it.
yeah.
Yeah. So
No, like
perfect.
it's like I would say that it's like 7 or 8 nights that I have been just waking up like. I have to keep myself awake all the night like
Yeah.
2 or 3 o'clock late night,
Mhm.
and I'm
Wow.
just thinking and thinking and thinking like how can I just increase the level of my subscribers or increase the
Okay.
level of my views.
Okay, fine. So someone's been burning the midnight oil then.
You can say that.
Right? Yes, very good. I'm pretty sure all the hard work, it'll pay great dividends. Shall-
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah,
Wow,
keep going.
it's your hairs is like they're so long.
Yeah, it's pretty long. I'm planning to get it trimmed. I am planning to get it trimmed. It's just, with girls, it's
No,
like
don't do this because it looks really, really, beautiful.
thanks, Pranjal. Thanks for the compliment, okay? But with girls, I'll tell you one thing. If it's long, they want it short. And once it's short, they're like, oh God, why did I do this to myself? I liked it better before. What was I thinking?
Definitely, definitely. No, it's look really beautiful, I would say, because
Thanks.
black, pure black. I like it.
Yes, yes. I've
N-
never
n-
had it colored. Have you colored your hair ever?
no, no, no.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. What's holding you back?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Why? Why haven't you? Because it's a trend with most people. They get their hair colored. They do something with it. Why haven't you colored your hair?
Just because of the first thing that I'm just getting bald, and this is the
Come on.
yeah, this is the first thing, and yeah, I don't like I just love to be simple. I just keep myself simple, and
Yeah.
no,
With
I
your
should.
style.
Yeah, actually,
No,
I
delegate is
just
someone delegating authority. No, you're delegating your work. If you are delegating your work to someone, you're a delegate. So that's how it is.
decent. We can say decent. Decent is the right word, I think.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, that works.
decent,
That works.
decent.
Okay. So
Yeah,
that's nice. So with me, I'm petrified of the consequences. Okay, like the products that they're going to use. I've heard they bleach the hair first, and it doesn't suit everyone. I've heard that, uh, and yeah, so I'm a little afraid of the consequences. Let's
and
see.
then that's really great. Yeah, chemicals, because I think chemicals are not good for for our health and for our
Yeah,
I think these all things like for
yeah.
hair and for all these things, chemicals are really
Yes.
not good.
It's very harsh. It's very harsh. It
Very,
works
very, very.
brilliantly for most people. Okay, for some it hardly has any effect, but for some people the adverse effects are more. It though it looks great in the first week, after the first wash we never know what we're going to expect, what we can expect. So yeah, that's what it is.
People like
Let's see.
but when it comes to hair, so I would say because hair like a very sensitive thing, or
Yeah,
a
yeah.
very sensitive
Same.
part, I can say that, in
Yes.
our body.
Mm.
When you just take a mess with with your
With your
hairs, I would
hair
say that,
care,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah. So I can say that, yeah, you are going to lose your hair, especially for men.
Mm.
You are going to
Yeah.
lose your hair if you just
Mm.
get
Experiment a little.
experimental and all these things, and if you just
Mm.
get your hair colored and all these things. So I would say
Yeah.
that once if there is any kind of a, no, I would say, and any kind of a I would say
Change in the healthcare
I
routine.
change in the and
Mhm.
how can I forget that word?
Okay, don't be so
I
hard
don't.
on yourself. Just express.
Yeah.
Just express it. Okay.
Actually, I forgot that word. Actually, it is not coming to my mind.
Mm-hmm.
I would say let it be. Let it be.
No
Yeah, we
problem. You
can
give
just
me
go
the
forward.
idea. You just give me the idea. That's fine. Even
I
if the word is
okay.
not there, you can tell me the idea.
Like how to say, like when we take a medicine, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes
Yes.
sometimes it reacts in a positive way or it reacts in a
Yeah.
negative way. So
Yes.
how can we say? So we can say in a
Mhm.
medical way, like
Mhm.
what we say at that moment when it when it shows negative impact.
Mhm. You can say it has adverse impacts on your body, or it is not something that suits your DNA. It's not something that suits your DNA, right?
Okay.
It's yeah, something like that. I don't know the exact word for it, but there are many ways you can express it. Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
So this is one small suggestion. If you have a brilliant idea, right? If there is something that you want to say, you can say that clinically it does not suit you.
Yeah,
Okay.
clinically it doesn't suit you. Yeah, you
Yeah.
can
If
say
you're
that.
not getting a perfect word for it, don't abandon the idea altogether. Okay. You just elaborate it because you have the idea, right? You just elaborate it. Don't abandon the idea just because you're not getting the word. You just say it in the form of sentences. Okay.
Okay, sure,
So that
sure,
always works. Okay,
sure.
so yeah, because if you have such some great thoughts, right? Why would you want to let go of it? Why not just express it?
Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely, because
Mhm.
the more you speak, the more you can just express your ideas and express your
Mhm.
thought of process.
Yes, yes,
Because
absolutely.
I've seen many people, like when they just stuck while speaking, they just
Yeah,
let it they just let that go. Okay,
yeah.
just change the topic or just forget the word, just go forward.
Yes, yes. So this is
And
something
I
that I used to do earlier. Okay. If I never got a word for it, I would just drop the idea completely. But then someone told me, one of my teachers, she told me, like, listen, Megha, the whole point of speaking to someone is to express yourself, not just to impress. Of course, impressing someone with your language ability is great, okay. But in some situations, if that word is not coming to you, but your idea is worth $1 million, just say it out. Okay, the word will come to you later, but you just express the idea and move ahead. Don't drop it
Yeah,
altogether.
no, that's such a good therapy
Yeah, that's such a
to
great
to
advice, right?
yeah, to improve your communication skills. I think
Yes, yes, yes.
that's
That's
really
the
great.
thing. Okay, so quickly coming back to today's session, okay. Today's topic is actually astrology. So, are you comfortable discussing it? Do you want to go ahead with this?
I can, because I don't
Mhm.
have a complete knowledge about it, because I don't believe
Yeah.
in such things. So yeah,
Okay.
we can go astrology and all these things, but I do not
Yeah.
follow such things.
Yeah. Don't worry. Even my knowledge on the subject is pretty zero. It's just your perspective on this thing that matters.
Yeah,
Okay. So,
we can go ahead.
okay. So, first of all, do you think that it's possible for anyone to, foresee your future perfectly, like exactly how it's going to be? Do you think it's possible
For anyone to make their future perfectly.
to see somebody else's future? These astrologers, palmists, and there are many people in this profession, right? We have tarot card readers and so many things. Do
So
you
many
think
things.
it's
Yeah.
possible to, predict future, whether it's your own or somebody else's?
No, no.
No.
I definitely deny,
Mm-hmm.
because the first thing that I do not believe, and second thing, you can't just, being a human, you can't
Yeah.
just predict anyone's future or something like that. You can't
Mhm.
just do it, because future is totally unpredictable,
Yes.
right? You don't
Yes.
even know what's gonna happen, right,
Mm.
in the very next 1 minute. So how
Yes.
can you
Yes.
how can you just predict someone's future, like you're gonna be like this after 5 months, and you're gonna be
Mhm.
like this after 1 year, and you can,
Yeah.
it's totally depend upon your karma. What I believe genuinely, let me tell you,
Wow.
like,
Mm-hmm.
it's karma. Okay, it's totally depend upon your karma, that how the work you do, right, right.
Yes.
So your hard work will definitely pay you
Mhm.
off if you walk in a right way, or
Yeah.
in a right track, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I would say just believe in karma, instead of believing such things, so that astrology and all these things.
Yeah.
And yeah, if I just come to your point, so I would say no,
Mm-hmm.
it's not possible for anyone.
Yeah.
If you can just predict someone's future, it means that you are
Yes.
just challenging the
Mhm.
nature, or
Yeah.
challenging the god astrology.
The God's plans for you, right? God's plans
Yeah,
for you. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, you put it brilliantly. Like the way you
Thank you.
explained the concept of karma and all that, that was brilliant. Okay, great.
Thank, thank you so
And
much.
uh, there are two types of people, right? One, they
Yeah.
believe that okay, everything is predestined, everything is written in the destiny, and we're just playing it out. Okay, we are like puppets. And there are others who believe that okay, some part of it is destiny, but we can at any point in our life change it by our own will or hard work or something. Okay, so which category do you belong to? Do you believe that everything is written, on a bond paper already, or do you think we have some way to change it?
I do not believe with both things, to be very
Okay,
honest.
both. Okay, fine.
Both. I really don't believe, like,
Okay.
I don't believe that is there anything which is written for you that's
Mhm.
gonna be happen, right, in your life.
That will
Because
happen.
yeah, so like,
Wherever you put in your work, it will come back to you, like karma, right? What goes around comes around.
yeah, yeah,
Something like that.
definitely.
Okay, fine. I think there is a
So
proverb in English. It's pretty famous. As you sow, so you reap.
I think, oh yeah,
Yeah.
that's like, not coming.
No problem. No problem. But you expressed it really well. I'm able to understand what you just told.
Yeah, it happens sometime, to be very
Yeah.
honest, because I'm just getting away from my studies, like, I'm not like giving too much time to my studies, like I can just read some new words or something like that. So
Yeah.
that's why I can feel these days, yeah, that words do not come to my mind properly, or
Okay.
I
Hmm.
you know so and I can just express myself in a better way. So this is
Hmm.
happening, actually, this is happening,
Okay.
because
So
yeah.
okay, sorry to interrupt. Okay, before time
No,
runs
not
out,
an
I
issue.
just want to say, address this thing. One, I think you're being too hard on yourself. Okay, and the second is, if you're not able to find time to read, that's okay. Listen a lot. Okay, listen to. I think you are interested in listening to podcasts and interviews of people. Do you enjoy that? Interviews of people or vlogs or anything interesting?
A little bit, yeah, a little bit I can say, but yeah, I listen English songs too much. No.
English songs, okay. English
Yeah,
songs are not the best part to, learn the
yeah,
grammar and vocabulary because there's a lot of slang in it. Okay, not very
definitely,
so.
definitely.
It sometimes it can be too informal. Like it breaks all the rules of English and they just write it. It's a way of self-expression basically. That's it, right? So maybe
Yeah.
you can listen to content, maybe 15, 20 minutes, any audio books or stuff like that. Okay.
So Mega,
So
I just wanted to know one more thing.
yeah.
Being a teacher, like,
Hmm.
if I just want to ask you,
Yeah.
like, in
Mhm.
order to speak well, right, or in
Mhm.
order to be a fluent, or like a native speaker, what kind
Yeah.
of a suggestion that you can give it to those people who are,
Mhm.
who just want to start their language journey,
Who just want to
for the
start their
beginners,
language for the very beginners, right? Like
for the very
from
beginners,
the
or
foundation.
foundation, or like something, I would say that grammar is important.
Mhm.
Do you really believe that is grammar
Yes.
important to
Yes.
speak fluent English, or to be
Yes.
like a native speaker?
Yes. Grammar is important, but knowing the grammar rules by heart is not important. That's the difference. Okay. I'll tell you how it is. Grammar is important. If you say that, Megha, imagine you want to say, मैं कल market जाऊंगा. But if you say that I went to the market, so grammar, you want to say something in the future, but you've used the past tense, completely change the meaning of your sentence, right? So grammar
Definitely.
is important, right? But is it important to know every single rule of grammar? Like, okay, this is subject, this is verb, this is third form of the verb. No, it's not. Listen, okay, read, understand the context, learn by context, okay? Don't memorize things, apply it. Memorization will not lead you anywhere. Applying what you've heard, applying what you've read that is more important. Okay, so even though if you don't know the technicalities of grammar, it's fine, but if you're able to listen to someone saying something, the future tense, and you're able to figure out, okay, this is how the sentence structure will be if I'm going to speak in the future tense, and you imbibe that in your speech, your grammar is perfect, right? It's done. So don't get lost in the intricacies of the grammar rules. Listen and learn. Okay, read and learn, read a lot of content. Okay, so that's
Okay.
how you learn grammar.
Okay, so
Mhm.
what I believe is like for me, I'm telling you my personal way.
Yes,
Like
yes, please.
sometimes it happens like I
Mhm.
just make mistakes between like
Mhm.
where should I put has, where should I put have, where should I
Mhm.
use had, where should I use was, were, like this. So what I believe is like something your grammar structure like present, past, and a future. These
Yes,
things
yes,
should be very very clear if you want to
yes,
speak good English, because
yes.
because this is the basic, or this is the foundation of
Foundation.
English,
Yes,
of
yes,
learning English, I think.
yes,
Because
yes. It's very important.
right.
I completely disagree with people who say that grammar is not important. I mean, politely disagree, because grammar is very important. It can change the meaning of what you're trying to say, right? So, getting
Definitely.
your foundations is very important. Rest of the thing, learn by observing, learn by reading. Okay, how you are going to apply it. Okay, that is of paramount importance. Okay, so
Right.
foundations have to be there, Pranjal. I cannot say that there's a trick to it. No, people say it's not important at all. I don't believe in that.
No, I what I believe is like grammar is important for knowing the structure of sentences, tenses, I mean to
Exactly.
say, like,
Yes.
because
Yes.
once you just
Mhm.
know the tenses properly, then you can just
Yes.
speak more, then you can use, then you know that where I want to use have, where I want to use I am, where I
Yes.
want to use these structure,
Mhm.
then you can make a good sentences structure, otherwise you
Yes.
can't.
Tenses, singulars and plurals, and using modal verbs along with that. These three things
uh,
need to be covered. Okay.
okay.
What you mentioned, the modal verbs in singulars and plurals, and your tenses. These two things get that needs to be very strong. And apart
Definitely.
from that, then language will be easy.